Hello, my Mexico lovers. This is Ricardo Angulo, your real estate guide, shooting today from the brand new Central Park of Mazatlan. Maybe you don't see it here, but in the very end they are building a new auditorium. All this is the park, and you can see the baseball stadium of the Venados. And in the other side, of course, we have the boardwalk across the street from there. You can see the construction going on, big time still in the boardwalk. We estimate about 20 developments being built in the boardwalk right now. Look, there is another one in the other side. A lot still going on, and we are very happy to show you. Wow. See the cormorants? We will be happy to show you today an example of the tours we give to our clients. We are showing property to some Americans that acquired a beachfront condo from us. See the beautiful cormorants there? Oh, so as I was saying, we are showing 3 homes in downtown. That, by the way, well, I will tell you a couple of facts about downtown when we get there. These guys, a young couple, they got retired from their businesses in US and decided, made a study of 22 cities of Mexico about the lifestyle and the 22 best places to live, he found. And he made a full research there that we could ever do. And guess what? He decided to come to Mazatlan. And they acquired a beachfront condo 3 years ago. Now they got a little bored. They want to feel the flavor of Mexico. And now they want to move into downtown to experience the culture and the lifestyle there, to go walking and all the places. So I will show you the homes we are showing to these people in a few minutes. In the meantime, feel free to subscribe in our website and share this video so all the Mexican lovers know about this wonderful place. Later. Hello again, guys. This is the first house we are showing today, the purple one. As you can see, the location is very interesting. We are near the Icebox Hill, and in the other side, maybe you can see at the end of the street, the towers of the cathedral. So we are in the very heart of downtown. 4 blocks from here you got the city hall, the cathedral. To the left there is the city market, to the right is the Machado Plaza. So the location is great. You can go walking everywhere. If you take the Belisario there, you will hit the beach. If you go down and take the Angel Flores there, you will hit the ocean too. So the location in this one is pretty good. The house is unfurnished. The design is not very appealing though, but still the location is the most important thing, is what we are focusing on today. So I will get into to check the house with my clients, and we'll see you in the next one. Hello again, guys. We are at the rooftop of the first house. I wanted to show you this so you have a better idea of the location. You see kids are getting out of school. You see the hills at the very end, by the end of Mazatlan, the cathedral, the San Jose Church, and the location. You can see the ocean from here a little bit. See? And of course the Icebox Hill. This house features 5 bedrooms for a big family. One of them is here at the 3rd floor, and the 3 of the 2nd, and 1 at the bottom next to the kitchen. So it's a very convenient house for a big family. Of course you can make 2 bedrooms out of 1 to have more space and all that, but they're nice. They're nice. I cannot show it to you right now because my clients are there with the other agents, so I just wanted to give you an idea of the location. You see there is a cruise right now over there, and that's the beginning of the Stone Island. That's the Deer Island over there. The Cross Hill, and in the other side is the Lookout Hill. See the ocean and the Icebox Hill. Very nice location to be. So see you in a little bit to see the other homes. Later. Now we are at the second house we are showing. Is next to an abandoned house. Old style. You see the beams, they used to do them before. High ceilings, very fresh homes. We are in the Venus Street, a couple of blocks from the boardwalk. You see the Freeman Hotel there, so the boardwalk is right there. In the other side you can see the cathedral too, and the Peralta Theater. That means the Opera House and the Machado Plaza is right there. The location in this one is very good too. It's in the heart of the historic downtown. You see the streets are narrow because before cars they were wagons going this way and the other way. Look at that little narrow streets, pretty nice. So from here, this is a very peaceful place. The noise you hear is the air conditioning. Other than that, you barely hear any sound. This is mostly foreigners that live in this area. And you are close to the Stone Island. You see the cruise ship there. And in the heart of the historic downtown. So it's a very nice property, this one too. It's a 3-bedroom, as I remember. And you can go walking pretty much everywhere. So, see you on the third one. Hey, hello again. Now this is the extra showing we are doing today. It happened that we park on this street, Belisario, which is a busy street, but at least it's one way. Comes from the boardwalk all the way to Playa Sur here in downtown. It's kind of busy, but very nice too, very convenient. And it happens that we park in this area because, as you can see, there is not much parking. And I saw the ad here for sale, the sign that I didn't see the last time. And it happened that our friends and clients saw it before and they were interested, but we didn't know who sold it. So it happened that the realtor that is selling this house is a friend of mine. So I just called her on the spot and she said, yeah, I'm in the area. So do you want to see it? Yes, we have time between showings. So since the next one will be in 20 minutes, we have 10 minutes to spare here. And we are showing it right now. So it's a very interesting location. It's 1 block closer from what I told you before from the previous house in Venus. It's actually 2 blocks closer to the Opera House and all that in downtown. So the location is great. Other than that, we have La Antigua next door. That happened to be the most known waffle place in Mazatlan. And it's very nice. Despite you come here and to live or not, I recommend you to come and have breakfast here one of these days. So, see you in the fourth one. Now we are at the balcony of the fourth house, which happens to be in the Galeana Street. Big house, very great price, just $295. Goes all the way to the street. The lot is like 30 meters long. That will be like 90 feet long, which is pretty good. So this is in the Galeana Street, not in the historic downtown, but still in downtown. You know, that street is done in the end, and 2 more blocks will be like 8 blocks from the Machado Square. You can see we are in the south area. You can see the cruise there. It's pretty good. So, see you in the... Oh, by the way, I ran into another real estate friend of us who told me that they have other one for sale in Constitucion Street. So we'll be showing it too in a couple of minutes. And I will show it to you guys. This is very interesting. Galeana Street is still in downtown, but not in historic downtown. But this is a lot more peaceful than these other places. So, see you in the next one. Alright, this is our last showing today. This is a house to remodel here on the Constitucion Street. Look at this beauty. Look at that. It's all historical, very nice. This, you might call it the B area of downtown. Next to that street over there is the A area. It's basically historic area, the most expensive of the historic area of downtown. So this is half a block from there. It's kind of busy street because it's one way, but the location is fantastic. 2 blocks from the Plaza Machado, like 3 or 4 from the República Plaza, 5 from the Central Market. The location is great here, you know, for a local. You can go walking everywhere. So now that you have seen all what we've shown you guys, you can post in your comment your opinions, and we might tell you in the future if I get authorization to see what was the chosen one. So this is a regular day for the realtors in Mazatlan, showing properties according to what our clients require. Okay, our friends wanted to live here in downtown to feel the Mexican flavor. Look at this tree. And we are here to help. We will examine the pros and cons of everybody and every property, and we'll see what happens. So in the meantime, remember, feel free to subscribe and share this content. See you later.